when you're sitting on a SITTS cushion, you want to make sure you place your cushion in the right spot. You can put it way back here, but your legs might not be as long as this lady's. You might want to bring your cushion up to the front of the seat. And you sit to the top edge so that your sits bones are closer to the top edge. So as you're sitting there, do you feel like your hips and your shoulders and your ears are in one big line, and your legs are parallel, and that your feet are on the ground? You have to do a little switching around. You may have to fix your seat so it's just right, so that you feel absolutely comfortable, because it's not about whether you're sitting right, it's about whether you're comfortable and you feel at ease. And that you see that when you're sitting, you're not leaning. Leaning forward at the hip, just look at the screen, can cause you a lot of untoned misery when your neck and your shoulders and your back. It tightens your abdominals, and then that's what a lot of times is the only thing that's causing your back pain. So you might want to not lean back too, because that is another thing we end up wanting to do. Doing that, you see how that's nice and relaxed looking, but she is actually bowing out at her hips and causing a lot of stress in her back of her hips. It's pinching in L5 and probably L4-5 and the sacrum. If she would correct herself and scoot the cushion, see, when you put it in, you should have like an inch from the edge of the back of the, where you're going to push your hips to, about an inch to 2 inches. That's perfect. Now she has a little support from the back of her hips, and believe it or not, that does support her enough to give her relief to her low back, and it does feel good throughout the day then to sit like that. And the cushions can be used as holding the laptop up. You could use several sizes, or you can just put a box underneath your laptop or something to get your screen up so your eyes are up and you're not looking down.